Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics,
Section 4.5, Problem 16. This is Section 4.5, Problem 16. It says solve the following. 45% of 160 is what number? So first, let's write it as an equation. So the key words are of, that will become a multiply, and is, that will become an equals. So 45% of 160 becomes 45% times, instead of the of, times 160. Is becomes an equals. What number? We can just use n for number. It's an unknown. So that's an equation. If we actually do the math to solve this, I would prefer to have the 45% written in its decimal form, so 0.45. The decimal point's understood to be after the 5. To make it a decimal, you move it 2 digits to the left. So it becomes 0.45 times 160 equals n. Now, you may have a math teacher that will allow you to use a calculator to solve this. So with a calculator, just enter it in and you'll have the answer. If your teacher will not allow you to use a calculator, just do it out the long way. Come off to the side. 160 times 0.45, multiply. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 6 is 30. So for 30, you write the 0, carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 more is 8. So that takes care of the 5. Go down a row, put a 0 to hold your position. Then start to multiply with the 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is 24. Write the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 more that you carried is 6. And then we add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 again is another 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. For 12, you write the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 more is 7. So I have 7200. But we have to put the decimal in. In the question, there are 2 positions to the right of the decimal. In the answer, there must be 2 to the right of the decimal. So my decimal point would go between the 2 and the first 0, 72.00. And where they're both zeros, you don't really have to include the zeros. You could say that the answer is just 72.